Take it away, Ernie. It's going to be a bumpy ride.
The National Weather Service has issued a flood watch, in effect until 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of northeast Georgia and upstate South Carolina, including the following areas in northeast Georgia: Franklin, Uppersham, Rappon, and Stevens. In upstate South Carolina, Central Greenville, Greater Oconee, Greater Pickens, Greenville Mountains, Oconee Mountains, and Pickens Mountains. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: heavy rain showers and thunderstorms will move across the watch area this morning and are expected to produce 1.5 to 2.5 inches of additional rainfall, with locally higher amounts possible. This is in addition to the 1 to 2 inches that fell across the area Tuesday night. The additional rain falling on an already wet ground will result in rapid runoff into smaller creeks and tributaries. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Precautionary preparedness actions. A flood watch for flash flooding means there is a potential for rapid onset flooding based on current forecasts. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation and may impact areas that do not typically flood. Please monitor the latest forecasts and be prepared to take action quickly should flash flood warnings be issued.
Look, Ernie, no hands. Yeah, nearly there.